Hello students, welcome to accountancy class. I am your account teacher Gurpreet Osan. Today we will discuss how to create the profit and loss appropriation account. First, we can see the pro forma. Now start the question. With the help of question, it is easy to understand how to create the profit and loss appropriation account. Ram and Shyam are partners sharing profit and loss in 3:2. Capitals are rupees 3 lakh and rupees 1,50,000 as on 1st April 2018. According to the partnership deed, Ram and Shyam are annual salary of rupees 3,000 and rupees 4,200. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate 6% per annum. During the year ended 31st March 2019, firm earned net profit of rupees 80,000. In the given question, there are two partners, Ram and Shyam, and its profit sharing ratio is also given in the question 3:2. When the time they start the business, that time their capitals are Ram's capital is rupees 3 lakh and Shyam's capital is rupees 1,50,000. According to the deed, both partners are paid annual salary rupees 3,000 and rupees 4,200. Along with this, interest on capital are also given in the question at the rate 6% per annum. Last year, net profit of the company is rupees 80,000. Now students, start the answer. Before starting the solution of this question, I will tell you one thing. It is important. When the time you solve the question, that means any question, you can check that profit sharing ratio is given in the question or not. If the profit sharing ratio is given in the question, then use it. You can see the given question, the profit sharing ratio of Ram and Shyam is given 3:2. At that time, we use the ratio according to the question. If the profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, that time we use the following methods. The first one is equally, that means 1:1, and the second one is according to their capital. If the given question Ram and Shyam's profit sharing ratio is not given, that time we use the capital, that means 3 lakhs 1,50,000, that means 2:1. Now I am preparing the profit and loss appropriation account. Students, please remember that year should be mentioned. It is mandatory. Some students in the exam time, they do the question is very fast. That's why they do not mention the year and the examiner deduct the marks. Some students draw the lines with the help of scale, but it is not good for the commerce students. students, if you want full marks in the question, so mention debit and credit, particulars, amounts, rupees. Now students, start the solution. First item, net profit is transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account on the credit side. You can see that I am using the head by profit and loss account. Under this head I am transfer the net profit rupees 80,000. Actually, net profit of the company is transferred to the partners account according to their profit sharing ratio, but after deduction some items like salary, commission, bonus, interest on capital and so on. You can see that partner salary is given in the question. Ram's salary 3,000, Shyam's salary 4,200. Total amount is transferred to rupees 7,200. The next one is interest on capital. Deed is mentioned the interest of capital 6%. Ram's capital rupees 3 lakh multiply 6% is equal to 18,000. Shyam's capital is 1,50,000 multiply 6% is transferred to 9,000. After the deduction of these items, the partner get the final amount of the profit rupees 45,800. This figure is transferred to the Ram and Shyam's account according to their profit sharing ratio. You can see that Ram's profit is 45,800 multiply 3 by 5 is equal to 27,480. Shyam's profit is equal to 45,800 multiply 2 raised to 5, 18,320. I hope students you like this video. Thank you.